How to create an account on Spendee. Our guest facing is to create an account on the Spendee app. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Spendee app on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Spendee app on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open the app, you'll be provided with multiple options over here, like sign in with Apple, Google, and Facebook. If you want to create your account using Apple, then just simply tap on sign in with Apple. Now click on sign in. You need to verify your Face ID. As soon as you verify your Face ID, it will take some time. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to create an account on Spendee app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Spendee app, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. Bye bye.